My name is Jەبár. I participated in the diploma in English translation at āwāt Academy. I would like to give my feedback about this course. I want to thank for my teachers. They helped me a lot with learning the language and especially about grammar and many other things. This program was very special and helpful for me because I couldn't finish school at all. I only studied for 3 years at school. I don't have any experience about grammar but I really like it, learning languages. But before I start this program, I couldn't speak English or understand or read. But now, thanks for Allah, I can speak, I can understand, I can read. When you start this program, before anything, they teach you how to learn, which way you learn easily, and for example, flashcard and many other things. They make it you love learning and they make it you learn the language easily.